Om Shakti, Om Gam Ganapadiye Namaha, Shrilita Sahasranamavali 501 to 550 with meaning. Om Gudana Preeta Manasayai Namaha. Salutations to her who has a liking for rice cooked with jaggery. Om Samasta Bhakta Sukadayai Namaha. Salutations to her who bestows happiness on all devotees. Om Lakin Yamba Swarupinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the mother with the form of Lakini, described in the 9 preceding names from 494 to 502. Om Swadhisthana Bhuja Gatayai Namaha. Salutations to her who abides in the Swadhisthana Chakra under the name of Kakini. Om Chatur Vaktra Manoharayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is fascinating with her 4 faces. Om Suladhyayudha Sampanayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is armed with a trident. Suladhyayudha and other weapons. Sampanayai Namaha. And other weapons in her 4 hands. Om Pita Varnayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is yellow in hue, i.e. golden in color. Om Adi Garvitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is very dignified. Om Medo Nishtayai Namaha. Salutations to her who presides over fatty substances in living beings. Om Madhu Preetayai Namaha. Salutations to her who loves to have offerings of honey. Om Bandhinyadi Samanvitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is surrounded by Bandhini and other 5 Saktis. Om Dadyana Sakta Hridyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who loves to have offerings of curd. Om Kakini Rupa Dharinyai Namaha. Salutations to the mother who appears in the form of Kakini, described in the 9 names from 504 to 512. Om Mooladhar Ambuja Ambujarudayai Namaha. Om Mooladhar Ambujarudayai Namaha. Salutations to her who assumes her place in the Mooladhara Chakra, described as a lotus of 4 petals. Om Mooladharam Bujarudayai Namaha. Om Panchavaktrayai Namaha. Salutations to her who exhibits 5 faces. Om Asti Samstitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who presides over bones in living creatures. Om Ankushati Praharanayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is armed with a goad and other weapons. Om Varadadi Nishevitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who attended on by Varada and 3 other Saktis. Om Mudgaudan Nasakta Chittayai Namaha. Salutations to her who loves offerings of boiled pulse and rice. Om Shakin Yamba Swarupinyai Namaha. Salutations to the mother who appears in the form of Sakini, described in the 6 names from 514 to 519. Om Agnya Chakra Nilaya Chakrabja Nilayayai Namaha. Salutations to the mother who resides in the Agnya Chakra, which is described as a lotus with 2 petals. Om Sukla Varnayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is white in complexion. Om Sada Nanayai Namaha. Salutations to her who has 6 faces. Om Majja Samstayai Namaha. Salutations to her who presides over marrow of living beings. Om Hamsavati Mukhya Sakti Samanvitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is attended on by Hamsavati and other Saktis. Om Haridranaika Rasikayai Namaha. Salutations to her who loves offerings of saffron flavored rice. Om Hakini Rupa Dharinyai Namaha. Salutations to the mother who assumes the form of Hakini, described in the 6 names 521 to 526. Om Sahasradala Padmastayai Namaha. Salutations to her who dwells in the Sahasrara, which is described as a 1,000-petaled lotus. Om Sarva Varno Pashobitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who shines with all colors. Om Sarvayudha Dharayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is armed with all weapons. Om Shukla Samsti Tayai Namaha. Salutations to her who presides over the vital fluid in all cultures, in all creatures. Om Sarvato Mukyai Namaha. Salutations to her who has faces all round and see in all directions. Om Shukla Samstitaye Namaha. Salutations to her who presides over the vital fluid in all creatures. Om Sarvato Mukyai Namaha. Salutations to her who has faces all round and see in all directions. Om Sarvaudana Preeta Chittaye Namaha. Salutations to her who loves to have offerings of all kinds of food. Om Yakinyamba Swarupinyay Namaha. Salutations to the mother who appears in the form of Yakini, described in the 6 names from 528 to 533. Om Swahayay Namaha. Salutations to her who is the deity of Swaha, the sacred exclamation with which oblations are made in the sacrificial fire for gods. Om Swadhaye Namaha. Salutations to the deity Swada, the sacred exclamation uttered while making oblations of the Pitris, mains. Om Amatye Namaha. Salutations to her who is Amati, Buddhi or knowledge. Om Medaye Namaha. Salutations to her who has become intelligence. Om Shrutyay Namaha. Salutations to her who is the Shruti or the Veda. Om Smrityay Namaha. Salutations to her who has become memory. Om Anuttamaye Namaha. Salutations to her who has none superior. Om Punya Kirtiye Namaha. Salutations to her who is famed for holiness. Om Punya Labhyaye Namaha. Salutations to her who can be attained only through holiness. Om Punya Shravana Kirtanaye Namaha. Salutations to her to hear of whom and to praise whom make for holiness. Om Pulo Majachitaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is adored by Pulo Maja, the consort of Indra. Om Bandha Mochanye Namaha. Salutations to her who liberates the jiva from the bondage of samsara. Om Bar Bara Lakaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is baby haired. Om Vimarsa Rupinye Namaha. Salutations to her who is the nature of Vimarsa, the mirror of objectivity, which makes Siva self-aware as Prakasha, the pure luminosity, the subject. Om Vidyaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is Vidya, the knowledge that gives spiritual enlightenment. Om Vedadi Jagat Prasuve Namaha. Salutations to her who is the origin of whole cosmos, beginning with the element of Akasha. Om Shakti.